In this video, I'm going to show you a Twitter tracker for meme coins you must use and is actually completely for free. So this platform is called Axiom Pro. If you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, once you're on the platform, so Axiom Pro, what I'm talking about is their Twitter tracker, which is honestly amazing. So you can access it by going up here to trackers, so the third tab, and then over here on the right you can see the customized feed and the Twitter alerts. So what you're gonna do is you want to go to customize feed over here, and then you of course want to get some subscriptions for you. So inside my list over here, I just cleared it up, so there's no handles in there currently. However, I'm going to show you how to add them right now and start tracking. So you can go to top subscriptions if you want to and see basically how many subscribers different popular people have over here. There's a bunch of different ones. You can scroll down. As you can see, if I go to the very bottom, there's about like 1.5 thousand, so we have a lot over here, and those are the most popular ones. So you can just add them by clicking add to your list over here. So these plus icons over here, you can just add like the top if you want to, and then when you go to my list over here, as you can see, you've now added them to your list and you're now following them. And what's also great is if you want to, with each and every single individual over here next to each and every single handle, you can actually hide tweets if you want to, or then of course show them again if you want to as well. You can also hide profile updates if you don't want to see them anymore, and you can also hide follows or reveal them again if you'd like to. And if you don't want to basically follow an individual anymore, you can simply delete it over here, remove from list, and there we go, it's been removed. Now over here on the left you can see it says boost. So basically what this gives you is a boost, and that will essentially boost their ranking info on this top subscriptions feed over here. Now of course you can add them via this way, or you can also just add them via the handle you want to add. So you can go to add handle and you can enter in a username. So it can be whatever you want. So of course you must know the username first. You must check it on X or Twitter, and then you want to simply type it in. So for example, I'm going to do Elon Musk over here just for this example. You want to click on add, and there we go. Elon Musk has now been added to my feed over here, to my list. Now you can also import them and export these lists, which is great. So if you know any streamers or people who are pro traders and they are giving away certain lists in their Discord, you can simply get those in the Discord, click on import over here, and then you'll be able to basically paste your exported Twitter list over here, and you'll be able to track the list they're actually currently tracking, which is amazing. And if you then go to Twitter alerts over here, once you have a bunch of handles in here so the people are active, you'll be able to see different Twitter alerts in here. So again, it gives you the option to add more of them, and you can just add as many of these as you want over here, and then of course start tracking them once you are trading. So let me actually show you how to actually pin this. Now, as you can see, it's quite inconvenient if you go to discover and then back to trackers over here. So you have to basically, as I showed right now, there we go, there's already posts over here. So you have to go to discover over here or whatever you want to go, and then if you click on Twitter tracker down here at the bottom, it will pull up these Twitter trackers. And what you can do, and what's amazing, is you can just essentially pin it to your screen. So wherever you go, like this, if I go to polls or trackers, it's gonna stay over here on my screen. And you can also like put it to the left or to the right. So just hold it, drag it to the left, there we go, it's gonna get pinned in here, and then you can just go to whichever part of your screen you want. It's gonna stay on there always, and you can always see it, which is essentially very, very good because you can always have it over here and you can always see what's going on. So that's pretty much it. That's the best Twitter tracker. As I said, there's a link down below in the description and in the pinned comment, so if you want to check it out, you will get a nice little kind of bonus because of course 10% off fees is quite a good deal. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.